A very warm welcome to everyone. My name is Dia Bhatt and I am pursuing my degree in Bachelor's of Business Administration, Banking and Insurance from Maharaja Surajmal Institute, Janakpuri. Being a part of NSS National Service Scheme of my institute, I hereby will be covering on the topic the significance of new normal. So many of you will be wondering, what is this new normal? It is an environment established by society following a crisis which differs from what it was before the crisis. It is a situation which has never been experienced, is unusual and is expected to turn usual in due course of the COVID-19 pandemic has drastically affected people worldwide in terms of both health and wealth. It has posed unexpected challenges in the fields of healthcare, food, and work. It has also affected the social economic conditions of millions of people around the globe. The human life is at great risk. People are even losing their jobs. As a result, the active income rate has hit a new low. The whole tertiary sector is dwindling. All the educational institutes are heavily relying on online modes for learning and teaching. Around three-fourths of the corporates are encouraging work from home while rest have been permanently shut down and many of the employees have been sacked. So being a part of this new normal life society, there are some new normal life trends which every citizen should follow and infuse in their daily lives. First and foremost is wearing a face mask, ensuring a physical distance of 6 feet, avoid visiting crowded places, and wash your hands frequently with soaps. And don't forget to keep your house and surroundings clean and disinfect. I would love to share some of my tips which I follow to keep myself and the people around me safe. Firstly, I always carry an extra face mask just in case I lose the one wearing, and I also try to share it with those who don't have one. Secondly, it's wise to carry your own sanitizer just in case you are planning to go out. It always comes in handy. Online payment methods is a must nowadays. They are quick and contactless transactions. There are various platforms like Google Pay, Apple Pay, UPI, Paytm, which have millions of users. According to a survey conducted by Merchants Payment Solution India, they witnessed a massive boom aimed the COVID-19 pandemic. 57% of respondents use digital payment at least 5 to 6 times a week, while 21% claimed to use it thrice, and less than 20% use it 3 times a week. The fear and anxiety of virus spread has taken a toll on people, and they are taking all possible precautionary measures to stay safe, and digital payment being one of them. They added. Now, after almost a year of living with pandemic, we have came up with ways to restore health and economics. The new normal is still emerging and we need to improvise it. So for the next part of this whole segment, we will be dealing with some of the measures that can help a person to adapt this new normal. I read a good number of blogs online to get a clear picture of the same. I shortlisted 5 major points which has helped me and will also help you. First we have is communication skills. It is important to communicate clearly in these times of crisis when everyone is under stress. Try to keep things simple and clear and limit your communication. Secondly, creating a positive environment. It is important to make sure your study space works for you. Hunching over your laptop in bed might work in the beginning, but it will affect your concentration and motivation in the long run. So creating a proper and dedicated workspace will help you concentrate better in your work. Third, start planning a healthy lifestyle. Try to eat right, engage in physical activities, and take a good amount of sleep. And most importantly, take a very good care of your mental health. This will not only improve your health and wellness, but will also strengthen your immune system to fight COVID-19. Fourth, plan out your work. Preparing beforehand for any unforeseen situation can help you do away with any last minute rush or panics. For example, if you have a deadline of Friday, Try to wind up your work by Wednesday so that you have enough time before handing in it. Fifth, taking care of yourself. Last but not the least, if you are not taking care of yourself, you will not be in your best condition. There are only 24 hours a day. Take out time for yourself, keep up with your hobbies, socialize more, join societies and clubs, and connect with your peers. Thank you.